Hey guys, wanna know how to switch from touch drive to manual or tilt controls in Asphalt 9? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, simply open up your Asphalt 9 application and head towards the settings icon on the top right. Now once you're there, head towards game settings right here. And here you can see controls. Just simply click on it. And now by default your controls should be touch drive. And now to change on it, so simply select tap to steer or tilt to steer right here. With this, your steering will not be automatic and it will be switched to manual. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also change the steering sensitivity right here and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.